Let me explain. Something has happened to me.
Well, something else is about to happen to you, Fletcher. Max and I are moving to Boston.
What?
Jerry has asked me to marry him, and Max and I are going with him this weekend to look at some houses.
I thought it was semi-serious.
Yeah, well, it's just been given a violent shove into serious.
You can't move to Boston. I'll never see Max.
Well, then you'll have pretty much the same relationship you have with him now, won't you?
Where are you?
I'm going home.
When you get there, just stay there. I'm coming over. We have to talk.
Fletcher!
I'll be right there.
Fletcher!
Holy hell!
You can run, but you can't hide.
What's your problem, schmuck? I'm an inconsiderate prick!
You know why I pulled you over?
Depends on how long you were following me.
Why don't we just take it from the top?
Here goes. I sped. I followed too closely. I ran a stop sign. I almost hit a Chevy. I sped some more. I failed to yield at a crosswalk. I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding.
Is that all?
No. I have unpaid parking tickets. Be gentle. Audrey, wait! Wait, Audrey. Oh, hold on. Wait.
Wait, I just had an insight into myself. I'm crazy. You call me up and say, wait right there. I'll be right over. And here's the crazy part. I actually wait.
I can explain this, though.
I have missed a department meeting. Did you come here in a cab?
Yes!
Where's your car?
Thank you. I can't tell you how much this means to me.
I can. $1,654.11.
How do you sleep at night? I'm taking this. You scratched my car!
Where?
Right there!
Oh, there. How's Audrey there?
You liar! You know what I'm gonna do about this?
What?
Nothing! Because if I take it to small claims court, it'll just drain 8 hours out of my life, and you probably won't show up. And if I finally got the judgment, you'd just stiff me anyway. So what I'm gonna do is piss and moan like an impotent jerk, and then bend over and take it up the tailpipe!
You've been here before, haven't you?
Well, I can't remember when I've had more fun, but if you'll excuse me, I have a class.